病毒肆虐全世界，每一天都有人倒下。有人说，或许这就是末日即将到来的钟声。在过去，人类也曾经好几次面临可以被称作末日的大危机。今天节目要带您来一探究竟。在1859年，发生了一起著名的卡林顿事件，号称是有史以来最大的太阳风暴。顿时间天地异变，全世界都能看见极光，天空也变成了绿色。很多人都以为世界末日就要来了，而科学家就警告了，太阳风暴一定会再次到来，但是不知道会是什么时候。一旦发生了，所有电子产品都不能够使用，生活的水准将会倒退200年。人类该怎么面对这个大危机呢？
It's a dangerous universe. There's a lot of ways the human race can go extinct.
Will you be ready? When doomsday strikes, can any of us survive?
看似永恒宁静的太空，您知道吗？其实暗藏危机。这个致命的黑色圆圈外围还发着光，科学家称之为黑洞。在银河系当中高达1亿个，如果其中一个朝向地球直扑而来，后果恐怕不堪设想。因为在宇宙当中，黑洞拥有最强大的引力。
The black hole coming toward Earth has cruised through the universe for billions of years, growing larger as it swallows stars, planets, and everything else in its path.
Some people compare a black hole to a celestial zombie. It comes to life anytime something comes too close. It grabs that object in its clutches and never lets go.
科学家现在假设，如果24小时之后黑洞将会侵袭地球，到底会发生什么事情呢？可怕的是，依照现今的科技水平，我们并无法预防或是阻止黑洞转向，天空仿佛破了大洞一般。
You can think of it as simply a cosmic lens. It's the universe's spyglass in a way.
It would be extraordinarily unsettling to see the familiar patterns in the night sky warped and distorted by an object that's filling more and more of the horizon.
This is the first visual sign that the greatest disaster in the history of mankind.
黑洞除了有强大引力之外，同时也有能力把彗星跟小行星抛向各处，这代表着太阳系中每颗星球都很危险。如果有行星不小心撞击月球，人类不但将目睹这一切，代价也相当惊人。
This isn't a quick bang done kind of scenario. You're watching it over a half hour. Material is beginning to fan out. It's coming toward the Earth.
没有了月球在第一线保卫地球的海洋潮汐跟着消失，接下来各大城市将无一幸免，因为恐怕遭到更多小行星或是陨石攻击。
This 2 million-pound iron meteorite vaporizes the area around its impact site, instantly killing anyone in its path. The crash is as powerful as the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, Japan in 1945.
逃得越远，难道就越安全吗？其实并不尽然。如果在高楼层的民众，更可能因为陨石撞击的震波受到影响。灾难接踵而来，这还只是黑洞接近的序幕。接下来，全世界各地的人们往天空一看，竟然都可以见到极光，这到底怎么一回事呢？
A place where gravity is so strong that light travels in circles around the black hole, filling the sky with streams of red and green light, known as auroras.
What anyone on the surface of Earth would see looking at the photon sphere would be an incomprehensible, perhaps, display of half imagery, a light show, radiation. I mean, this would be something that's almost impossible to describe.
黑洞的光能和地球大气碰撞，便产生了诡异极光。不知情的人们还以为见到了天堂奇景。这样的画面一闪即逝后，地球将会陷入一片黑暗，太阳不会再从东边升起。
As the Earth is drawn ever closer to this black hole, it's like entering a cave, and there's only darkness within.
Light from the stars, the other planets, and the sun shrinks to a single small point in the sky.
科学家形容进入黑洞之后，宛如身处瀑布一般，掉下去就永远无法回头了。当我们越来越接近黑洞中心奇异点时，地球恐怕会慢慢被撕裂，造成地震更加频繁。
The black hole's gravitational forces are so strong, they literally start pulling our planet apart.
Earthquakes are happening on orientations that don't appear to make any sense. They're not near coastal boundaries or subduction zones, places where you'd expect plates to collide and start to cause earthquakes, or stretch and cause earthquakes.
As the earthquakes are reaching magnitudes 7, 8, and 9, when they start to impinge upon the size of historical massive earthquakes, then infrastructure like dams start to fail.
人们几乎无处可逃的情况下，死亡人数将不断攀升。随着黑洞引力越来越大，几乎等同月球引力的1000倍强度时，潮水会反向往内陆城市开始倒灌，面临可怕的超大海啸。住在沿海的30亿人口首当其冲。
While massive earthquakes have quickly spread across the globe, this unprecedented geological activity has opened up gashes on the Earth's surface that allow gas, molten lava, and rock deep inside the Earth to blast through the surface.
同时间，人造卫星和海底电缆也被破坏了，这也代表着手机形同废铁，已经不能上网来求救或是得知最新灾情。广播、电视或是无线电也几乎无法使用，更大的灾难却还在后头。
As the Earth comes within a few minutes of the black hole's center, the singularity, gravity begins sucking the air off our planet. It becomes harder and harder to breathe. People everywhere start suffocating.
Anything outdoors is absolutely unsurvivable as these winds kick in. It's a sandstorm and a hurricane all work together with a force that's far larger than has been experienced.
没有了海洋、氧气和大气层，地球几乎成了一颗炙热火球，地表上生物近乎灭绝。如果人类躲在军事地下碉堡这样的加压环境，有氧气瓶的辅助，或许还能延长一些生存时间，但几乎是于事无补。
At this point, the Earth is being stretched to such a degree, it's physically distended, and it finally just gives way. And there's such amount of heat built up that when the crust starts to break up, you'd have magma all over the place.
黑洞把星球撕裂成碎片后，这些尘土化为分子，分子再瓦解成原子，整个太阳系可以说是消失殆尽，几乎找不到存在过的痕迹。但这些都还只是科学家的假说，现实真的会如此悲惨吗？其实爱因斯坦曾经提出另一项惊人理论。
His equations indicated that Earth could slip through a black hole unscathed into a parallel universe.
If you take a look at Einstein's equations, you realize that if a black hole is spinning rapidly, and that's what we see in outer space, all black holes are spinning very rapidly, we see that the singularity is actually a ring, not a dot at all.
黑洞的奇异点真的长得像甜甜圈吗？爱因斯坦大胆假设，地球不会被黑洞瓦解，而是能完美穿越。但黑洞的另一端又是什么？平行宇宙会有另一颗地球存在吗？专家争论数十年，依旧没有定论。不过，让科学家更担心的，反而是太阳风暴，也就是太阳表面发生了爆炸现象，这对地球可能造成灾难性影响。
But what if a coronal mass ejection is strong enough to penetrate Earth's protective magnetic shield?
You wouldn't notice much at first. Your cell phone probably would stop working. The electricity in your home would follow shortly.
Unlike a localized power outage caused by bad weather on Earth, The damage from a coronal mass ejection could destroy electronics of every kind.
任何用电设备都会受到冲击，甚至损坏无法修复，像是高压电塔可能发生爆炸，电力瘫痪之下，卖场的新鲜食物慢慢腐坏，银行当然也没有办法领钱，整个社会几乎处于瘫痪状态，后续引发更大的经济危机。以上这些都不是专家的假说，而是确切已经发生过的灾害事件。
When the solar outburst of the Carrington event struck in 1859, telegraph systems, the most sophisticated electronic technology of the time, were knocked out.
It was much larger than anything that we have observed in modern times. Some people have speculated that a storm like that, if it happened today, could, for example, seriously disrupt the power grid.
If that were to hit today, it would probably knock out our electrical power grid for months and years.
在1859年卡林顿事件相隔100年之后，1989年发生了第2次太阳磁暴，其中加拿大魁北克省断电12个小时。后来在2003年的万圣节，南非也发生了同样灾害。
It knocked out 14 transformers and disabled the power grid in South Africa. Its electricity supply was crippled for a couple of years because of this.
根据太阳的循环周期，学者担忧这样突如其来的断电可能会更加频繁发生。没有电力，人类文明将可能停滞不前，或是倒退回农业时代。而另一大隐忧则是地球磁场。
The magnetosphere is Earth's only defense against dangerous solar radiation.
There are studies that indicate the field of Earth, the magnetic field of Earth, has been declining over the last 150 years or so. If there are, quote, holes in the magnetosphere, that could allow radiation and particles down, all the way down potentially to the surface of the Earth.
没有了地球磁场保护，人类直接暴露在辐射线下，罹癌率可能大大攀升，其他生物也将会深受其害，仿佛是骨牌效应一般。
If the creatures of Earth lose their ability to navigate properly, it could have serious repercussions for their migration patterns, disrupting the ecosystem in ways we can't even imagine.
科学家悲观认为，后续还可能引发冰层融化、气候异常，所以世界末日并不是假议题，因为我们并无法阻止太阳风暴发生，而现在人类能做的就是减少温室气体排放，地球才有一丝丝喘息空间。